The brave little gardener. Once upon a sunny morning, in a small town named Green Hill, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily loved spending time in her backyard, tending to her vegetable patch. She had a special bond with nature and took great pride in growing her own vegetables. One day, as Lily set out to check on her precious plants, she noticed something peculiar. A group of mischievous rabbits had found their way into her vegetable patch. They were nibbling on her tender lettuce leaves, munching on her juicy carrots, and even digging holes near her tomato plants. Lily felt upset and worried. Her hard work was being destroyed by these sneaky rabbits. But instead of giving up, she decided to become the brave little gardener and find a solution. She spent the entire afternoon brainstorming ideas to protect her vegetable patch. Lily's determination led her to create a plan. She built a small fence around the garden, strong enough to keep the rabbits out. She also sprinkled some natural repellents to deter them from returning. As days went by, Lily's garden started to thrive again. The lettuce grew tall, the carrots became plump, and the tomatoes ripened beautifully. News of Lily's success spread throughout the town, and her neighbors admired her dedication and bravery. One afternoon, Lily's next-door neighbor, Mr. Johnson, approached her with a request. He had a garden of his own but was struggling to keep the pests away. He asked if Lily could share her knowledge and help him protect his plants too. Lily agreed happily. She guided Mr. Johnson on how to build a fence, use natural repellents, and encouraged him to stay determined. Together, they transformed Mr. Johnson's garden into a thriving oasis. As the seasons passed, Lily's courage and expertise inspired other children and adults in Green Hill. The town witnessed an increase in beautiful gardens, and a sense of community grew stronger. Lily's determination and passion for gardening taught everyone the importance of perseverance and finding creative solutions to overcome obstacles. She became known as the brave little gardener, and her vegetable patch became a symbol of hope and resilience. From that day on, every time Lily stepped into her garden, she felt a sense of accomplishment. The challenges she faced made her stronger and more determined to pursue her dreams. And as she tended to her vegetables, she knew that she had not only grown a garden but also a community that stood together through thick and thin. And so, the tale of the brave little gardener and her triumph over the mischievous rabbits became a legendary story in Green Hill, reminding everyone that with courage and perseverance, any obstacle can be overcome, even in the humble vegetable patch.